Definitely not. Tether and Bitfinex and Hypercore all came together to develop a new technology, a new set of protocols. Within the last 3 to 5 years, we all worked together to create something that was free, as in freedom, that would be open source very soon, extremely powerful, and I understand that might sounds really rare in our ecosystem, in our crypto industry, but this is not something that will see a token, will have a token in order to use the network. The network has to be free. The underlying layer, the base layer of this network has to be free so that everyone, every single developer can create applications on top of it. Creating tokens, we are used to think, and this is also one of the makings of the Web3 VCs. We are used to think that every single thing in the world needs a financial incentive, and that is really far from being true. Great things, useful things can work well without incentives, because the incentives are actually the utility, the intrinsic utility of the product that you are building. So there is no token. The base layer will always remain free, and we are just excited to see people and developers actually using the technology and building on top of technology. Of course, we understand that people might want to be to build services that needs to and get paid for the services that offer on top of this network, using this framework, and that will be made available by introducing Lightning Network and Tether payments, but as an optional feature. So they are not a critical part of the network. They are just primitives that are free to be used, optional to be used, that can be available for developers to get paid or pay through all the applications available on the whole Punch network.